Hi viewers, welcome to AQC Group YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities, spices and vegetables in India. Now we are going to see today's onion wholesale rate in major parts of India. Kindly share this video to your friends, farmers and traders. Now we are going to see today's onion price in major parts of Karnataka. Market Center, Chikmagalur. Minimum price 13 rupees 92 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 92 paise. Total sales 6000 kg. Market Center, Ramnagara. Minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per kilogram. Total sales 14,000 kilograms. Market Center, Davangere. Minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 14 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 35,000 kilograms. Market Center, Hubli. Pune variety, minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees. Tekalki variety, minimum price 3 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees. Total sales 3,72,000 kilograms. Now we are going to see today's wholesale price of onion in Kerala. Market Center, Alappuzha. Big onion 20 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kilogram. Small onion 45 rupees minimum and maximum 46 rupees 50 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 10,000 kilograms. Market Center, Chenganur. Big onion minimum price 27 and maximum price 30 rupees per kilogram. Small onion 50 rupees to 54 rupees per kilogram. Total sales 500 kilograms. Market Center, Pattambi. Big onion minimum price 26 rupees and maximum price 30 rupees per kilogram. Small onion minimum rupees 60 and maximum rupees 70 per kilogram. Total sales 1200 kilograms. Market Center, Haribad. Big onion minimum rupees 20 and maximum rupees 25 per kilogram. Total sales 550 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion price in major parts of Maharashtra. Solapur, red variety, minimum price 1 rupee and maximum price 8 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 14,37,000 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion price in major parts of Telangana. Market Center, Mahabu Mansion. Minimum price 12 rupees and maximum rupees 20 rupees per kilogram. Total sales 36,55,000 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion rates in major parts of West Bengal. Market Center, English Bazaar. Minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 12,500 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion price in major parts of Haryana. Market Center, Gurgaon. Minimum price 12 rupees and maximum price 14 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 32,500 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion price in major parts of Punjab. Market Center, Banka. Minimum price 13 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 17 rupees 70 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 9,900 kilograms. Market Center, Dorak. Minimum price 15 rupees and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1,480 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion price in Uttarakhand. Market Center, Sitraganj. Minimum price 17 rupees and maximum price 19 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 2,000 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of Rajasthan. Market Center, Suratgarh. Minimum price 10 rupees and maximum price 12 rupees. Total sales 2,100 kilograms. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of Uttar Pradesh. Market Center, Aligarh. Minimum price 14 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 70,000 kilograms. Market Center, Allahabad. Minimum price 13 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees 50 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 45,000 kilograms. Market Center, Basti. Minimum price 15 rupees 90 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 90 paise 1 kilogram. Total sales 24,000 kilograms. Market Center, Ghazipur. Minimum price 15 rupees 80 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 20 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 14,000 kilograms. Market Center, Jhansi. Minimum price 9 rupees and maximum price 10 rupees 95 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1,26,000 kilograms. Market Center, Lakshmipur. Minimum price 14 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 15 rupees 20 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 37,000 kilograms. Market Center, Mathura. Minimum price 13 rupees and maximum price 16 rupees 60 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 23,000 kilograms. Market Center, Moradabad. Minimum price 14 rupees 40 paise and maximum price 15 rupees 40 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 80,000 kilograms. Market Center, Noida. Minimum price 15 rupees and maximum price 17 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 40,000 kilograms. Market Center, Puranpur. Minimum price 14 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 15 rupees 30 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1,46,000 kilograms. Market Center, Rampur. Minimum price 14 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 14 rupees 70 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 80,000 kilograms. Market Center, Sambal. Minimum price 7 rupees and maximum price 10 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1,500 kilograms. Market Center, Sandila. Minimum price 14 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 15 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 6,000 kilograms. Market Center, Sajanva. Minimum price 16 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 60 paise per kilogram. Total sales 5,000 kilograms. Market Center, Shigobad. Minimum price 12 rupees 15 paise and maximum price 12 rupees 50 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 10,000 kilograms. Market Center, Tamkuhi Road. Minimum price 27 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 28 rupees per kilogram. Total sales 19,000 kilograms. Market Center, Ujjani. Minimum price 14 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 2,500 kilograms. Kindly like, comment and share this video to your friends, farmers and traders. Subscribe our channel for more agricultural information. Kindly press the bell button after subscribing. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video. Thank you for watching.